Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into an in-depth comparison between the newly released Garmin Tactix 8 and its predecessor, the Tactix 7. If you're wondering whether this latest iteration is worth the upgrade, you're not alone. At first glance, these two smartwatches look strikingly similar, engineered with military-grade toughness, high-precision GPS, and an extensive array of tactical features. However, the Tactix 8 introduces several key improvements, including a dedicated rucking mode, enhanced diving capabilities, and the addition of a built-in microphone and speaker. So, is this an evolutionary step forward, or just a subtle refresh? Let's break it down and see if an upgrade is worth it. Rugged military-grade design. What's new? The Garmin Tactix series is renowned for its durability, and both the Tactix 7 and Tactix 8 live up to that reputation. Designed to withstand extreme conditions, these watches meet U.S. military standards for thermal resistance, shock absorption, and water resistance. They are built for adventurers, tactical professionals, and endurance athletes who demand top-tier resilience from their gear. While the fundamental build remains unchanged, the Tactix 8 introduces a few refinements. One of the biggest additions is leak-proof buttons and a reinforced sensor guard, features that were first seen in Garmin's Fenix 8 series. These subtle enhancements make the Tactix 8 even more reliable in harsh environments. Additionally, it boasts improved water resistance, making it dive-proof up to 40 meters, a significant improvement over the Tactix 7. Both models sport a sapphire lens, titanium bezel, and fiber-reinforced polymer housing, ensuring top-notch durability. Garmin has opted for an if-it-isn't-broken, don't-fix-it approach, refining rather than overhauling the watch's core design. Display options: AMOLED versus MIP Solar. Garmin continues its trend of offering both AMOLED and memory and pixel (MIP) solar display options. The AMOLED variant delivers stunning visuals with high contrast and vivid colors, making it easy to read in almost any lighting condition. However, the trade-off is reduced battery life. For those prioritizing endurance, the Tactix 8's 51mm solar variant offers up to 48 days of battery life in optimal sunlight conditions. Meanwhile, the AMOLED version provides around 29 days in standard watch mode or 13 days with the always-on display activated. This is a slight improvement over the Tactix 7, which also had an AMOLED variant but didn't offer it as a standard option across all models. Battery life, pushing the limits. Garmin has always been a leader in battery longevity, and the Tactix 8 continues this tradition. If long-lasting battery life is your top priority, the solar-powered model is the way to go. The Tactix 7 already impressed with up to 31 days in smartwatch mode and 82 hours in GPS mode, but the Tactix 8 improves upon this slightly, making it one of the longest-lasting smartwatches available. However, if you're currently using the Tactix 7 and haven't had any battery life concerns, this alone may not be a compelling reason to upgrade. Tactical and fitness features. What's new? Where the Tactix 8 truly differentiates itself is in its tactical and military-focused capabilities. Garmin has introduced several key features that cater to a specific audience. Rucking mode. Designed for those who train with weighted backpacks, this mode allows you to input your gear's weight to get more accurate strain and calorie burn metrics. This feature is particularly beneficial for military personnel, hikers, and endurance athletes. Applied ballistic solver. This advanced feature helps precision shooters calculate long-range aiming solutions by factoring in environmental conditions, bullet dynamics, and rifle setup. If you're involved in professional or tactical shooting, this addition alone might justify the upgrade. Enhanced diving capabilities. The Tactix 8 is now rated for dives up to 40 meters and supports multiple gas mixes, making it a more capable companion for both recreational and professional divers. Built-in microphone and speaker. A welcome addition, this allows you to take calls and use voice commands without needing to reach for your phone. It may not be a game-changer for everyone, but for those who prioritize hands-free communication, it's a handy upgrade. Advanced health and fitness tracking. Both the Tactix 7 and 8 come loaded with Garmin's premier health tracking suite, including ECG monitoring, VO2 max readings, pulse oximetry, advanced sleep tracking, and an extensive range of sports profiles. While the Tactix 8 does integrate refinements from the Fenix 8 series, providing slightly more accurate heart rate tracking and GPS navigation, these improvements are incremental rather than revolutionary. Navigation and GPS performance. Garmin remains the gold standard in GPS navigation, and both watches are equipped with dual-band GPS, TOP maps, and SAT-IQ technology, which dynamically adjusts GPS accuracy based on environmental conditions. While the Tactix 8 benefits from minor software refinements that improve map responsiveness, the difference isn't dramatic. If you rely heavily on backcountry navigation or military operations, these small improvements may be valuable, but they likely won't be the sole reason to upgrade. Price comparison. Is it worth the upgrade? The Garmin Tactix 8 starts at $1,299 for the 47mm AMOLED model, while the 51mm version, available in both AMOLED and solar, costs $1,399. If you opt for the solar variant with the applied ballistics Elite solver, the price jumps to $1,599. In contrast, the Tactix 7 AMOLED initially launched at $1,399, making the base Tactix 8 slightly more affordable, but the high-end models pricier. Final verdict: should you upgrade? If you already own the Tactix 7 and it meets all your needs, there is no urgent need to upgrade unless you require specific features like rucking mode, enhanced diving support, or the advanced ballistics solver. However, if you're an outdoor enthusiast, a military professional, or someone who regularly trains with weighted packs, the Tactix 8 provides meaningful improvements that justify its premium price tag. For newcomers to the Garmin Tactix series, the Tactix 8 is a no-brainer. It offers better durability, an expanded feature set, and a more future-proof design. So, will you be making the jump to the Tactix 8, or are you sticking with the Tactix 7? Let us know in the comments below.